we're gonna make pani puri today. There's some tamarind water, some tamarind paste we need to put in. And then we've got about 200 grams of white chickpeas. We've got about one medium-sized potato boiled, and then we've got a couple of green chilies, some freshly cut coriander leaves, and some about half medium-sized onion, thinly chopped. Right, first we're gonna and some salt. First we're gonna we need salt as well, and also we need the chaat masala powder. We can get from any shops. Right, this is how you mix it. You put everything together and you just mix it. Put the chilies, coriander, onion all together, mix it. Salt just to taste. One teaspoon of chaat masala, sprinkle across. Mix it, just mix everything together. Crush the potatoes so they mix and blend with all the other chickpeas. Yeah, you can add some chili flakes, just maybe about a teaspoon. And just mix it together again. Tamarind water with a bit more chaat masala on it, maybe another teaspoon, just to give the taste. And then just mix it, and then we should be there. Add another paste of chaat masala. It's depending on the taste. You have to taste it and see if it's enough or not. Hey, try to again. Yeah, so what you do now, you just get the pani puris already made from the shop. Crack it open on the top. You can just use your fingers. Crack however many you want to eat. Maybe a whole packet. Especially its taste is really good on a hot summer's day like today. It's about 30 degrees out there. Need a bit of spice. Sweat it out. Right, so we peeled the pani puris now. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill up these each bowls, dough balls. Well, it's not dough balls, with the chickpeas mix. So fill it up all of them. Yeah, and then basically what we're going to do, we're going to... Yeah, so now we filled up all the doughs with the white chana mix. Now we're going to do, we're going to put tamarind water in all of them. That's what it is. It's pani puri. You're supposed to eat it. You're supposed to dip it in and eat it in the tamarind water rather than just put it in the dough. So you're supposed to dip it in and just eat it. That's how you get the full taste and the flavors. I'll show you one. Right, this is it. This is the pani puri one, yeah? Put it in the mouth and eat.